Hello everybody and welcome back to Visit Fylde Coast. I'm going to break my usual rule on this video and I'm actually going to make an appearance at the start of this one because this video is about Care for Cleveleys. And anybody that knows me and anybody that's been following Visit Fylde Coast for long enough will know that I'm, well, what you might call a bit passionate about making sure our lovely little town is looked after. So the question is, do you care for Cleveleys and do you want to join in and do you want to be part of our happy gang? If anybody's watching me make this film, they'll be sectioning me, they'll be sending for the green van with the square wheels. But I've chosen to start this video here against the clock shelter because this is kind of where it all started for me, I guess. And it was back in 2014 when the clock shelter was restored. And if you remember, the roof was off, it was in a right sorry state. And as a community, we all banded together and raised the funds and raised the ability to be able to bring it back to its former state. Now you can see that the cupola clock at the top is looking a bit shot at, a bit worse for wear. And there goes the taxi man that's helping to do something with it this time. So it's been cleaned up and painted up by the council, and you can see our little sign there in the centre of it, but it's all shabby and grotty. So this is one of the first. Oh, look at the soffit. It's ready for a fettle. So the guy that I've just laughed at and waved at is Steve from the Thornton Cleveleys Past Facebook group, and they've offered generously to help to raise money and to get the clock shelter tidied up again. So that's one of the things that we're going to be looking at doing, because as I said, it was back in 2014 when that was done. And not long after that, I started a Facebook group called Care for Cleveleys. And I did that completely off my own back at the time because I wanted to encourage people to look after things and do things and kind of sort their own patch out without needing to be told or waiting for permission. So when you're out and about and you're walking and you see a plastic bottle in the middle of the road, just pick it up and put it in a bin. And if you live somewhere that's got a little bit of a grass verge or one of these little patches of grass that you find in different places, just tidy it up. When you're cutting your grass, mow the lawn and keep it looking nice. Because collectively, between us, we can all make it look such a beautiful place, which gives you a sense of pride if it does nothing else. But over a period of time, Care for Cleveleys then became the public face of Cleveleys Coastal Community Team. And Cleveleys Coastal Community Team started with a grant to put things right in the town centre that had sort of gone shabby. So we funded things like repainting the street furniture, and again, look at the finger sign here. That was all repainted. All the bollards were all repainted. Everything was cleaned up and tidied up and made to look really lovely. And it's a few years ago and the weather's just a nightmare, you know that if you live here. So everything's ready for redoing again. So we're going to be sprinting back into action with Care for Cleveleys. And the question is, are you going to come and join in? There's a Facebook group called Care for Cleveleys. So if you're interested, join that. Be part of the army of people that love this town and want to see it looking better and want to see it transformed. It's going to all start reopening soon. We've got another couple of weeks before lockdown ends and the non-essential retail opens again, and I think it's going to be really busy this year because certainly the seafront, if that's anything to go by, it's going to be a busy place, which is why these bollards are in, so that you can have more space to walk. And you can sit on them as well, which is a fringe benefit. And the benefit of it as well is that you'll get to know your neighbours, you'll make friends, you'll find all kinds of things out, you'll be part of the community. You can come and join in, you can come and get involved, and it's really good fun, and it's something to do as well. So the question is, do you care for Cleveleys? Do you care for Cleveleys enough to get your sleeves rolled up and come along and join in? The volunteers are already starting to look at doing jobs, so they've been out tidying up and putting some spring bedding in the planters, which look a lot better. But there's a lot to do. There's lots to do, and we need everybody to work together, and that includes shopkeepers. It includes people that visit. It includes people that live here. It includes everybody. It includes us all. So I hope you've enjoyed this little video. If you have, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and then don't forget to make sure you subscribe to the Visit Fylde Coast YouTube channel as well. And we'll see you soon. Bye for now. Bye.